Intraday Trading Strategy. Rules for picking winning stocks. This strategy works on plain simple trend following logic. The strategy waits till 11:15 a.m. after 2 hours from market opens. That's when the whole noise goes down. Overnight news gets factored in the price of all stocks, the movements become stable. This is when we should start scanning the stocks. We should check all stocks and see which stocks are in uptrend by 11:15 a.m. There could be multiple stocks which can show signs of uptrend, but we should pick up top 5 stocks that has moved up the most from its day open price. 1. Look for stocks that has moved up greater than 3% by 11:15 a.m. from day open. 2. Buy at 11:15 a.m. 3. Stop loss is day open price. If stock goes below day open price, we exit. 4. If stop loss is not hit, we close the position by 3:20 p.m. The strategy has been tested from 2016 to 2020. It has given consistent returns year on year. Traders who wanted to trade this strategy through fully automated way can use our platform. Our algorithm starts scanning all 150 plus stocks instantly, and it will automatically place the orders for you. Check the description for more information.